Alright YouTube, this is an update. I've been driving for a minute now. It seems to be fixed. So this hose here is what broke all the way up inside the, well, not inside the motor, but way up in there. And I think they also replaced the housing. So this was not really a big deal, thankfully. But it also seems like I got some bad diesel because I drained it down about here and it picked it back up. So I think I'm pumping a lot of water. Drain it a little bit again. It looks green and dieselish, but my filter might be getting clogged or something, but it doesn't look that dirty. Not inside anyway. So I gotta keep an eye on this. If it gets up to the top right there, then I gotta replace it. Coolant level is a little on the low side, but it's above the minimum and it's hot, so I'll check on it again, but I don't think I have any coolant leaking. So that was pretty much the end of that. And then the other thing that I had done while I was there, I had a chip in both windows. So Swift got me a couple windows. They replaced both, and you see they're real super clean, which is beautifully. I need to rehook up my CB. I haven't done that yet. I've just kind of been lazy. But, oh man. It's all kinds of warm outside, guys. And, of course, I didn't take my jacket. It's really not all that cold, but it's not exactly warm either. So, I'm going up to Chicago. And all this huge storm and everything that's up there, I'm kind of a little concerned about it. Anyway, so that was the update on that. I'm headed up to Oklahoma City to drop this trailer, pick up another trailer, and then that trailer will be going up to Chicago. That's pretty much that. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. I got some more videos coming. I need to get around to actually making and editing them. Two things that take time. But with me back as OTR, not doing Walmart, I'm going to have more time. Anyway, see you all in the next one.